So hey guys, what is up? Namaskar.
Welcome.
So today we are going to be talking about Samay Raina. ठीक है? This guy, how he got from here to here. Who is Samay Raina? क्यों भाई? Why will we be talking about Samay Raina?
मुझे मेरी वीडियोस पे व्यूज चाहिए.
I'll answer that at the end of the video. Since I'm a professional, I have divided this video by categories. So basically, this video will be divided into 3 sections. His early childhood and life, his early life, as some might call it, his stand-up and chess and streaming. And when we get to chess and streaming, I will tell you how I am the sole reason Samay Raina is what he is today. Yes, Samay Raina जो कुछ भी है मेरी वजह से guys. तो please stick around. All right. Early life and childhood, also known as early childhood. Whenever a video like this is started, people start with the person's birthday, right?
Samay Raina was born on blank.
यार सच बता रहा हूँ, I don't know when he was born. उसका बर्थडे मुझे मिला ही नहीं पूरे इंटरनेट पे. I tried, ठीक है? I really tried. I know कि his mom's birthday is on 16th January. Let's move on from the birthday. नहीं पता मुझे उसका बर्थडे कब है. बर्थडे से क्या ही फर्क पड़ता है यार. Let's talk about the person, right? So this person, Samay Raina, if you know anything about him, you know he is a Kashmiri Pandit and his family migrated to Hyderabad.
Today I'm Samay Raina, all the way from Pakistan, Kashmir.
Where in fact, because of his skin color, he was bullied. He was whiter than other students around him, which actually led him to develop a sense of humor, right? So humor became his coping/defense mechanism, which is, I'll say, a very healthy way to deal with bullying. But he's always been a creative guy. 2016 में इसका एक ब्लॉग था, samayraina.wordpress.com. Highly recommended, काफ़ी बढ़िया. 2 पोस्ट हैं इस पर. I don't know, कुछ डिलीट किए होंगे पहले तो, बट 2 पोस्ट हैं. और उसने सेकेंड पोस्ट में ही खुद को ब्लॉगर बुला दिया है. All right, but great guy. He's into rap. He loves शायरी but hates slam poetry. I mean,
Okay.
मगर भाई की बुलिंग हुई थी, because of which I think we should move on to the second part of the video, which is how bullying led to his stand-up career. बहुत घटिया segue था, but still another very important part on why he became a stand-up comedian was time. भाई ने 12वीं में PCM लेके इंजीनियरिंग का एग्जाम दिया and as 98% people could not crack it, he scored in 30s in his JEE, which is actually very bad. अगर समय भाई, you know, if you are watching, which I am sure कई लोगों ने उनसे बोला, because we live in India, right? But he did not let that affect anything at all. Maybe he did, I don't know. At the end of the day, he chose a college and he started his beautiful degree known as plastic engineering. नहीं, printing engineering. क्या ही फर्क पड़ता है, किसको पता है क्या होता है. In his own words, college इतना घटिया था.
And I'm so lucky about it because I had the free time to do anything. I could do whatever I want. There was no attendance, so basically comedy किया, guitar try किया, rapping try किया, कुछ तो I just tried things just to get out of that.
He had time to do anything else that he wanted. He spent that time learning guitar and doing his first open mic on 27th August 2017. बेटा स्टॉकिंग का लेवल देख रहे हो. बर्थडे नहीं मिला, बट फर्स्ट ओपन माइक कब था वो याद है, बिकॉज एक्चुअली दैट वाज द बर्थडे ऑफ समय रैना. फिर कॉमिक्सतान हुआ. एवरीबडी नोज ही वन इट अलॉन्ग विद आकाश गुप्ता, क्योंकि भाई जहाँ भी जाते हैं वहाँ बंटवारा हो जाता है. And during this time, he also created a channel on YouTube. He called the channel very creatively Samay Raina. The channel had no content और बैनर पे लिखा होता था वेट करो. And this creation of the YouTube channel eventually led to his chess and streaming career. सेगवे देख रहे हो? सेगवे देखो बस, बाकी वीडियो वगैरह छोड़, तुम सेगवे देखो. So, of course, he was always interested in chess. In fact, these are some of his Instagram stories way before he had anything to do with chess streaming.
क्या हो गया भाई?
Streaming career की शुरुआत हुई through Tanmay Bhatt's channel on 17th January, I believe, because the first video in which, what do you call it, featuring Samay Raina on Tanmay's channel that is public right now is from 17th January. क्या मालूम उसके पहले भी आया हो. His own first stream, which is public right now, is dated 23rd March 2020.
40 लोग की watching, that's great for chess, especially at 4 in the morning. That's incredible.
And this is where, as I had promised to you before, this is where I make Samay Raina the man that he is today. क्या किया आपने आई संस्कारी ऐसा? I'll tell you.
Why संस्कारी?
Yes,
Why संस्कारी? Why संस्कारी? Why संस्कारी?
मैंने उनको बनाया जो बनाया. And actually, if you're curious, this is what he said.
भाई मुझे भी शाउट आउट दे दो. आई संस्कारी. आप अपना असली नाम लिखते तो आपको मिलता ना शाउट आउट. आपका ये गलत नाम है यार.
The strategy that Samay Raina used to grow on YouTube, I call it the collab strategy. Guess करो क्यों? मेरा नाम रखने की strategy भी Samay Raina जितनी ही creative, क्योंकि वो collabs बहुत करता था. He did a collab with almost all the famous comedians in India and did his first ever chess tournament. The tournament ended on 2nd April, and by the end of March, Samay Raina had 27,000 subscribers already, all because of the power of collabs. और ये strategy जो फिर सर ने use करी है. Not saying मतलब in a wrong way, ये strategy मतलब गंदी चीज़ नहीं होती, अच्छी चीज़ होती है. As soon as the tournament was over, the next collab Samay Raina did was with Agad Mathur, the biggest chess streamer in the world. And let's be honest, most people watching did not know who Agad Mathur was, but they did know Biswa Kalyan Rat and Vaibhav Sethia and Samay Raina. And these many people suddenly were being introduced to the world of chess through the world's biggest chess streamer, all because of this stream. He's done many such collabs from then on, including with people like Krishna in a stream titled Understanding Rap. He brought on Vidit and tried to understand chess through him, Sagar Shah, and a whole lot of other people, eventually doing a second tournament, which was, as they say, the second one has to be bigger than the first one. Samay Raina ने दिल पे ले ली ये बात, क्योंकि it was huge as compared to the first one. And all of this led to this wholesome moment.
Oh man, so many things are happening.
Humpy, you won the game and then you immediately left the screen and you went somewhere. Did you say something to your family? What was it?
Yeah, like my dad was watching live in the drawing room. My daughter, everyone was there. So once I finished the game, I just went and saw them, and then I came back.
Guys, Anand Mahindra sir has just tweeted.
Yeah.
You saw we had tweeted about the Indian Chess League, and he has said happy to talk about it. So guys,
That's great news. Let us call him here right now.
Can you send him the Google Meet link?
Yeah.
I don't know. But thank you, my God.
Samay Roman.
Really good. Thanks to
Samay rolls up well.
Yeah, because of your teams, I think so many people are watching, so many people are following our game. So it's really good.
Oh, yeah. And also thanks to these audience. I mean,
So why am I making this video? 1st September, रात के 2:30 बजे. किसका फायदा हो रहा है इस सब बात जान के? Look, this journey जो इस 22 साल के लौंडे ने करी है अभी तक, to be where he is today, I think it is inspiring at least to some people. I really respect him from the bottom of my heart and I just wanted others to know, not that मेरी audience उससे बड़ी है, कि ये बंदा sameyrana.wordpress.com से आया है. If you watched this till here, thank you so much. कुछ और काम कर लो जिंदगी में, समय रैना को स्टॉक करने के अलावा. But also I think this is where I want to talk a little bit about my channel. ठीक है? So if anyone looks at my channel right now, with the videos that are available, you won't be able to tell what the next video is going to be about or even what it will look like. And that is including me. The reason for that is कि the ideas that are there in my head for videos, they take a lot of time, which means that I am not able to produce a lot of videos right quickly, which is a problem. Why is it a problem? It is a problem because एक साल में 7 वीडियो डालना means that your channel will not grow, which is quite evident. So here's the thing, if I make more videos like this one took a lot less time, right? If I do it like this, I can manage comfortably, I feel, 1 video a week. Note from me 5 days later, change 1 week to 10 days. But videos like this need to have something that I can talk about without researching a lot about. So if you have any ideas about the content that you want to see on this channel, write it down below. Easier form of content. Yeah, just tell me. Anyway, that's been it. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Hello, the Estonia.